In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Color Picker tool in Photoshop. If you've ever wanted to quickly grab an exact color from an image, match colors perfectly, or paint with colors that already exist in your design, this feature is incredibly useful. The Color Picker and Eyedropper tools make color selection fast, precise, and very easy even if you're new to Photoshop. I'll walk you through several simple methods you can use to pick colors directly from your image. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share a small tip that can make your color sampling much more accurate. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first method is using the eyedropper tool. This is the most direct way to sample a color from any image in Photoshop. Go to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the eyedropper tool. You can also press the shortcut key I on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Once the eyedropper tool is active, move your cursor over your image. You'll notice that as you hover over different areas, Photoshop is ready to sample the color underneath the cursor. Simply click on any color in your image. As soon as you click, that exact color becomes your foreground color in Photoshop. You can see this change in the foreground color box near the bottom of the toolbar. Now, any tool you use, like the brush tool or paint bucket, will use that sampled color. This is extremely helpful when you want consistent colors in your design or when you want to match colors from a photo or graphic. The second method is even faster when you're painting. Select the brush tool by clicking it in the toolbar or pressing B on your keyboard. While you're using the brush tool, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. As soon as you hold Alt, your cursor temporarily switches to the eyedropper tool. Now simply click on any color in your image. That color will immediately become your new foreground color, and when you release the Alt key, you can continue painting with that sampled color right away. This method is extremely useful when you're painting, retouching photos, or doing digital art because it allows you to quickly sample colors without switching tools manually. The third method is using the Color Picker window. This method lets you manually choose a color instead of sampling it from the image. Look at the foreground color box in the toolbar on the left side of a Photoshop. Click on that color box. When you click it, the Color Picker window will open. Inside this window, you can choose any color you want by adjusting the sliders or clicking inside the color field. You can explore different hues, brightness levels, and saturation values until you find the exact color you want to use. Once you've selected your color, simply click OK and Photoshop will set that as your new foreground color. This method is perfect when you already know the color you want or when you want precise control over color values. Now here's a helpful tip that can improve the accuracy of your color sampling. When using the eyedropper tool, look at the options bar at the top of Photoshop and find the sample size setting. By default, it may be set to point sample, which samples only a single pixel. Instead, change this to 3x3 average or 5x5 average. This allows Photoshop to sample the average color of multiple pixels, which often produces a much more accurate and natural color selection, especially when working with photos. And that's how you use the Color Picker and Eyedropper tools in Photoshop. These simple methods make selecting and matching colors quick and efficient while you're editing or designing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.